Good afternoon. I am going to show you how to turn on switch scanning within TouchChat using the iPad screen as the switch. So I'm going to go into Menu on TouchChat, Settings, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, it says scanning enabled. Right now it's grayed out because it's turned off. I'm going to turn it to green to turn it on. Once I turn it to green, additional options come up below. I have auto scan turned on where it will scan on its own. I have auditory scan where it gives me auditory feedback. Here you can adjust the voice rate and pitch. You can select the scanning type, row, column, or sequential. And I can show you the differences between the two. Right now, I'm going to keep it on row column. And then the scan speed. Since it is going to be automatic scan, that's going to be how long it takes to scan through. So that can be adjusted based on your user's needs. I'm going to scroll back up to configure switches. And it says switch configuration, one switch. There is the option to have two switches here. Switch one, start scan activation, and you can see that it says screen. So I'm going to leave it there. Now I'm going to select done. Now when I touch my screen.
Row 2. Row 3, row 4, it, I like.
And you can see that when I touch the screen, it stopped the scan and selected either that row or that cell. So it's going to scan the rows first and then go over the columns. There's no scanning happening right now. If I touch the screen, it'll start the scan.
Row 2, row 3, my, 2, to drink,
So now I'm going to go in and show you what the other scanning method looks like. So I'm going to menu settings, scroll all the way down to the scanning options. Scanning type. Now I'm going to do sequential, and I'll show you what that looks like. Done. Tap in the screen to initiate the scan.
Food groups. And more. Please. Dot. Straw.
So you can see the sequential is going to go across, and it's going to have each cell, and then it's going to go down and across, and then you're going to stop the scan by pressing the screen to select the one that you want. So that is how to use the iPad screen in the TouchChat scan options.